All right, let's go. Good luck! Jokas. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 3. 2 points for number 3. Joven. Number 93. Pass to Astorias, number 9. To the big man. Sa malaki. Gumamit. And rebound. Number 0. Number 23 to number 4 to number 3. Pumasok. Wala. Rebound number 8. Now. Alright. Pumasok rin. Please, reminders, please remove your any accessories in your body. Please remove that one. Baka masundot yan, magkakaroon pa tayo ng injury. Please lang po, please lang po. Remove any earrings, accessories. Please. Alright, stop. So to continue the game. Bandage. Okay, let's go. Jason to Joven. For 3, that shoot is from number 25. Number 93, umaatake. And there's a foul. Holds foul rep. Number 0. Number 0, foul. First team foul. Creative trouble. Basket good. He completed the basket. Number 25. Number 0 on the rim. 2 for him. Iba talagang matatangkad. Talagang kakayanin ng mga nasa baba. Sige, Leno. Mga 3 minutes. Okay, kita ha. Ay. Okay. Out of bounds. Bola po ng yellow. Alright, Joven number 25. To Slim to number 0. Ay, muntik nang makuha. And bound play. Up. Kickball. 14 seconds left. And ball position. Jokas! What a free tickets from Japan! Alright, naghahanap tayo ng mga free ngayon. Ito ngayon, gagante. Number 8, gumawa ng pick, guarded by number 25. Uy, may tapal sa ilalim. Number 3, umarangkada in the third gear. Wala. Uy, naghahabulan. Uy, may ikot. Ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda ng pasaw. Oh, 2 points for number 8. But that is an advantage move from number 8. Ronda for 3. And there is a technical. Avoid po mga extra motion. Bawal po ang magbilang kasi baka magdagdag sa score eh. Alright, inbound. 21-8. Tumira na 3. Bumawi. Bang! That's from number 8. Okay, the same yellow ball. Iba talaga. Nag-uulan ng mga 3 dito. Bawal po ang count. Alright, number 4. Uy, nahuli. Nakuha na. Nasiplatan. Uy, mutik na. Kuha ni number 93. Freeman. Freeman. Last touch po ang yellow. Red ball. Tutok na po kayo dito sa PBO Originals. Thank you for the 100 million viewers watching this game. Uy, buntik na. Sumobra. Rebound by number Randall. On the move in the left hand. What a move! Astorias, number 9, umaatake. Nagbabalak. Uy, nakuha na ng bola. Iba talaga. That's Dicky Man. Uy! Wala. Freeman, nagmamadali. And the first girl, second girl, third girl, huminto in neutral. Bang! Number 4, Randall again. Calling situation, umaandar ang auxiliary fan. Oh. Uy, kick ball. Bola po ng pula. Ito, parang mga machine. Astorias, nagbabalak. Tumaas ng kamay, parang sumasagot. Pasa kay number 17. AKA jump. And there's a foul and one! Os foul rep. Number 3 foul.
Kasi yung malaki, kailangan yun. Dito mo lang.
Basket good. Oh, what happened? Oh, so what happened? Oh, any substitution, please. Advance here, please. Any substitution, timeout. Okay, warning, warning, warning. Let's go, let's go. Oh, 12 points. Second personal foul. Offensive foul. Third foul. Sub, red sub. 54, tuck in please. Number 54. Warning for penalty. Number 54. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 9. 17. No foul. Number 4. There's a foul. Number 54. First personal foul, 2 shots. First shot. Pasok. Second. Pasok. Score. 14-18.
Number 54. Rebound, number 17. Pass to number 8. 2 points, number 8. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Number 10. 3 points. There's a foul. Sam. Jogos, personal foul. Sub, rep.
Yung
First shot, pasok. Yung address tsaka ano. Hop, yung may hikaw, kwintas, tanggalin lang po natin. Second shot. Vintes, rebound. Number 3. 99. Whoop. Nakataas lang. Intercept.
medyo nagkakaroon pa sila eh. Wala kasi.
There's a foul. Number 17. Pushing foul. Sub, rep. Sub. Number 3. Pass to number 2. 24. 24. Whoop. Nice pass. 5-4. Penalty. 2 shots. And the first quarter.
Balik naman tayo. Gusto mo? Sorry.
Red ball. Number 54. Pass to number 9. 25. 3 points. Number 25. 1 point na lang. The score, 20, 21, 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3. No. Rebound. 25. Number 9. Oh, there's a foul. Number 24. Pushing foul. Four. Pass to number 9. Intercept. Number 3. Easy 2 points, number 3. Oh, there's a foul. Sub, red sub. Foul, number 0 ba yan? Number 10. Number 54. Number 24. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Short. Rebound number 9. Number 9. Pass to number... Way! Number 2. 1-1. 2 points. Intercept. Number 21. Pass to number 8. Number 8 for 3. No. Rebound. Number 3. Uy, mag-isa lang po siya. 2 points. Number 12. 22-25 is the score. Number 8. For 3. Short. Rebound number 0. Pass to number 24. 24. Turnover number 24. Number 21. Dribble the ball. Turnover number 21. Third one. Foul. Stop. Timeout. Red. Okay, back to the ball game. Bonus shot. Mintef. Rebound. Number 25. Number 4. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 24. 3 points. Number 24. Score 22-30. Air ball. Intercept number 77. Sir. Number 17. Drive. Oh, there's a foul. Sub rep. 25. Jokas. Second personal foul. Jokas. 2 shots. First shot. Pasok. Pasok. Score 24-30 is the score. Intercept. 93. Pumik. 40. Bang! 3 points. Number 93. Tatlo na lang ang lamang. $25. For 3. Mintes. Rebound number 25. Number 17. Paso number 3. 31. No. Rebound number 25. 2 points for the rebound. Timeout. Timeout. Yellow. Number 25. Pass to number 3. To 0. 0. Pass to number 99. Pow! And 1! 77. First personal foul, number 77. Bonus shot. In and out. Rebound number 17. Number 17. Oh, there is a foul. Number 99. Dribble ball. For 3. No. Jump ball. Yellow ball. Number 25.
Wala, ano?
Number 3. Wait, nice pass! 2 points. Number 25. Number 93. Oop, there's a foul. 79. Penalty, ref, penalty. 99? Second personal po. Fourth shot, pasok. Second. Pasok. 31-34. Ay. Bawat sige. There's the ball, and one! There's the ball. Sub rep, 17. Bonus shot. Mintes. $93 for 3. In and out. Rebound number 0. Up. Outside. Sub rep. Sub. 93 out. 21 in. Time out yellow. Magparisot kayo. Time out. Time out yellow. All right, 93. 93 to 17 to number 8. Number 8. Lines it up. Not good. Rebound by number. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Roy. Offensive foul number 4. Offensive foul number 4. Extending the arm number 4. Second personal foul number 4. All right, back to the ballgame. Ako ang mauna. 93 to number 11 to wala. Rebound by number 9. Symbol tayo na red ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Number 21 to 93. 93 Tumira, pinasa, number 9, pumihit, pinasa ay shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Yellow ball. All right, number 25. Number 25 goes in, layups, no good, rebound by number 9. Number 9, pass to number 17. 17 to 93. 93 goes in, pass to number 8. Pasok. Easy basket by number 8. Easy basket by number 8. Number 99. 99, oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 9. Wait. Substitution ref. Huwag mo na papasok pag hindi tinatawag. Pasok. Sub. Alright. Number 0 goes in, layup. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 17. Body check, number 17. Second personal foul, number 17. 2 shots. Pasok ang una. Second shot is in. 38-33 ang score. Number 8 now. Number 8, pass to number 93. 93 goes in. There's a foul. No basket. No basket. No basket. There's a foul. Third personal foul. On number 4. Third personal foul, number 4. 17 goes in. Intercept. Hey! There's a foul. Yeah, it's a technical foul. You got third personal foul, number 3. It's a personal foul.
Tinawagan ako ng technical. Hindi technical yun. Pag tinit ka, sige ka kung yun. Ginano ko na yung bola. Hindi, that's part of FIBA.
Tama. All right, 2 shots. No good. Second shot, pasok. Number 25. Number 25 bring down the ball. 25. Oy, intercepted. Intercepted by number 21 to 17. 17 drives in, yes! Yeah. Mamaya. Walang deep ball. Number 7, number 9 to 25. Lines up for 3. No good. Rebound by 93. 93. Oy, intercepted. Number 25. Ganda ng depensa. 93 goes in. Pluto shot. No good. Rebound by 93 again. Pass to number 8. Lines for 3. Yes! Substitution rep. Time out, yellow. Number 25. Number 25 bring down the ball
live stream it, right? You can live stream from here.
You can.
to number 0. Intercepted.
I recorded and edited it later.
Number 3. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul on number. Substitution rep. Substitution. Third 21. Third personal foul. Oy, lumusot. 0 for 3. Yes! Easy shot by number 0. 93. 93 bring down the ball, goes in. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 25. To number 20. Oh yeah. Number 4 is in. Wala. Rebound by number. Oh! There's a foul. Number 17. Third personal foul, number 17. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Kitang-kita. Alright. Number 54 goes in. Yes! Easy basket by number 54. Number 25. There's a traveling violation. Substitution, ref! Substitution. Substitution. Kitang-kita. Kitang-kita. Easy basket. Number 10. Number 10. Third personal foul, number 10. Voila. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, Tomera 24, no good. Sayang. Number 54, 93 to 54. Goes in, no good. Oy! Yun, easy basket, number 8. Lamang na po ang 45. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 93. First personal foul on 93. Warning penalty red. Wala pa, wala pa. Warning na, warning for penalty. There's a foul. There's a foul penalty. Two shots, penalty. Number 9. Pasok yung una, pasok yung una. Pasok. Alright. Oh, 93. 93. 14 seconds lang yun, tol. Yes! 93. Easy basket for 93. 3 points. 93, 3 points. Yes! There's a basket foul. Number 9. Bonus shot. Ilang foul number 9? Third personal foul on number 9. Ready for rebound. Pasok. Number 93 to 17. Foul on number 24. 14 seconds to shoot. Second personal foul on 24. Asturias for 2. No good. Number 3 for rebound. Pull up jumper. No good. 17 to number 54. Lifting violation. Lifting violation on number 54. Number 12. For 3. No good. Ooh. Easy basket ng number 7. 48-47. 48-47. All right. 54-17. To number 9. Substitution rate. Substitution. 7 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Number 17 to number 8. Pasok, easy basket. Number 12, number 25. 25. Foul. There is a foul. 21. 2 shots. Fourth personal foul on 21. Warning for graduation. Number 21. Fourth personal foul. Mamaya, wala pang sub. After na ng second shot. After ng second shot yung sub. After ng second shot. No sub, wait. No sub, no sub. Later. Yeah.
Puto.
17 for rebound. To number 8. Number 8 to 17. To 93. 93. To, intercepted. Intercepted by number. Up. Offensive foul. Offensive foul. Kita. Substitution rate. Substitution. Joven, you got 4th personal foul. Number 3, 4th personal foul. Warning for graduation. 93 to 17. "24. Pasok! Number 24. Blocking foul. There's a blocking foul. "99, third personal foul, 99. Sideball po tayo, sideball. "93. To number 8. To 93. Lines it up. No good. Oh! Ganda. Picture na yan. Number 25. 24 for 3. Yes! 24. Easy 3 points. Uy. No good. Red ball po tayo. Red ball. 93. 5 minutes to go, boys. 5 minutes. Oh, ganda. Goes in easily. You're not good. Substitution rate. Substitution. Timeout rate. 3 minutes, 50 seconds to go. All right. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. Number 3. 5 personal foul on number 3. Graduation na po. Number 3 is on 5 fouls. Pasok ka na. Yeah. Pangalawa, yes! Pasok din. 56-53 ang score. Number 4. Pull-up jumper, Nugget! To number 93. 93 goes in. Pinasa sa number 8. Number 8 now. Oy! Oy! There's a foul. Host foul rep. Number 24. 24 foul. 24 foul. Pasok ka muna. Pasok ang pangalawa. 58. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Wala mo ng time. Wala mo ng time. Wala mo ng time. Wala mo ng time. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 93. Blocking foul. Number 25. Hold on. Time.
Wala pa po yun, man.
Alright. Okay na. Number 24 goes in. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. 25. Number 25, Freeman. Ilang taon lang si Freeman? Third personal foul on Freeman. Pasok ang ano. Substitution, ref! Substitution! May pa, isa. Isa pa. Alright, back to the ballgame. Number 17. To 93. 93 goes in. Liam Nugget. Rebound by 0. Number 0 goes. Yes! Easy basket by number 0. Isa na lang. 58-57 ang score. '93. Tovera Nugget. There's a traveling violation. Substitution ref. Substitution.
Pick up niya eh.
All right, back to the ball game. Number 93 to 17. 17 goes in. Up. There's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul. Substitution. Substitution. Third personal foul on David. Forty-eight seconds to go. No good. Ready for rebound, ready for rebound. Ready for rebound. Last shot. Yes, pasok. Number 25. Oy! There's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul on 25. 98. Number 8. Number 8, Mercado. Warning for penalty. Pasok. Oh, hold on. Kalma. Play in. One more shot. Kalma lang kayo. Yes, pasok. Tayo po tayo ng score. 59-all on 30 seconds to go. Number 21. 21 to number 93. There's a foul. Penalty. 2 shots on red. Foul number 24. Warning for graduation number 4, 24. All right. Time out, yellow. All right. Red ball tayo. 7 seconds to go. Wala na shot clock, ha? Wala na shot clock. 7 seconds to go. Yellow ball. 7 seconds to go. Hey! "24 foul. 5 fouls and 24. Two shots, 2 shots. 24, 5 fouls. Substitution rep. Substitution. Huwag mo nang titira. 24, 5 fouls. Michael, 5 fouls. Alright. Wala na timeout. Wala. Yes! Oh, not counted! Not counted, live ball! Not counted. No basket, no basket! No basket! No basket! Hey, and out the fourth quarter! And the winner! Tol!
Awarding.
Okay, congratulations to the winner. But